Hello everyone. I'm going to show you how you can be able to make this scrolling timeline animation in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. First, bring a text plus title into our timeline, and now I'm going to add few years, something like this. After that, we can be able to modify the different text parameters. And now switch to the Fusion page. From here first select this template node, and then go up to this toolbar. From here click on this rectangle mask node. Now it will automatically get connected to this template node. From here adjust the size of this rectangle mask in a way that you can only see 1 year at a time in the middle of your screen, something like this. And now from here increase the soft edge a little bit. After that, click on this template node, and then go to the Inspector tab, and then under the Transform tab, add a keyframe on offset value in the first frame. And then move a few frames forward in time, and then add another keyframe. In that frame, bring the offset Y value all the way up until the last year comes up on your screen, and then go back to the very first frame, and then bring the offset Y value all the way down until you see the very first year comes up on your screen. And now go to the Spline tab. From here, check the template, then click on this Zoom to Fit option, and now from here select all the keyframes from here and then right click inside this Spline tab, and then come up to Ease, and then select Out in Cubic. In this way, you can be able to make this scrolling timeline animation in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video useful, then please like and subscribe. Happy editing!